100 years ago, the high points of all present-day states in the Union had been climbed, except for one. A sharp wall of volcanic rock nearly 13,000 feet high lie unnamed, unclaimed, waiting for someone to conquer it. Finally, in August of 1923, an expedition of 3 prevailed and named it Granite Peak. Granite Peak is considered the second most difficult state high point to climb, just after Denali. And there are a couple of reasons for that. Difficult and confusing terrain, no actual trail leading to the summit. Extreme and unpredictable weather that completely undermines meteorologists. And a half-mile long, 1,000-foot tall climb that is technical and dangerous. One small slip and you will fall 1,500 feet to your death. And I want to climb it. Why, you might ask? Unlike a lot of people who see this peak on a list with 49 other summits, I'm not looking to check this off of a list. This is a peak that I specifically want to climb, simply because this is my home. And I'm always searching for a new perspective, and I want to see my home from the top. I want to see the last best place from a new perspective. But I can't just go and climb it tomorrow. I have to prepare, I have to plan, and I have to practice. And, as a start, I have to see this mountain with my own eyes.
¿Conoces el Pico Lanín?
No.
Está cerca de Los Andes.
I first got this idea when I went on a short mission trip to South America in 2018, and I saw the Bolivian Andes. Those are the largest, most insane mountains that I have ever seen with my own eye. And I thought, I could go and climb all of those, couldn't I? With practice, it would be so much fun. It just grew my enthusiasm for an ambition in my heart that at the time was just a seed, but it quickly became a budding plant. Soon after, I was trying to summit any mountain I could. The directional peaks in the high woods, Camelback and Piestra and Phoenix. And so that, on top of going to Bolivia, I started to pursue mountaineering. What was next? As I was getting really interested in mountaineering, I saw Granite Peak. And my eyes lit up. Now, that was just too big, and I quickly realized how dangerous that peak is. It's a peak that does not want to be messed with. So I put it on the back burner and just explored in the wilderness more and more, gaining experience until that became more of a reality. And after the pandemic, that reality had come to fruition. The next part of this was to build a team. I had to find people who had been on it before, people who were interested in climbing Granite Peak, people who are strong and as ambitious and as passionate as I am about adventuring. And I had a couple of ideas.